Good morning, Maureen. Oh boy. Yep. Old Harvey. Used to be on a roof, but now he kind of knocks on the door. It says, "Beat me." Let me get him his food. You get a whole bag of these things for $3. That's what we do. He's been real hungry lately. You've been here ever since I stopped fishing, you know. Oh, something scared. Oh, the cat scared him. Go on, get out of here. Stupid cat. By the BB gonna shoot your ass. Alright. Scared old horror. I'll go this way. Stupid cat. Alright. Another beautiful Cape Cod day. Where'd you go, Harvey? Here you go. Come on, Harvey. Catch today or what? Jesus. Alright. I don't know how he fits it in that gullet of his, but...